Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will provide the guidelines about the one of the best topic, Binance blog. So how to earn money with Binance. So in this video I will provide the guidelines about Binance website. So how to earn money with crypto means Binance. In this video I provide guideline. So let's go. Firstly, you click the search bar button and write Binance with domain.com. So you can see this site open with the same page and click to go bar button. So this site open with the same scenario. So how to earn money with crypto? So did you know that there is more efficient, safer and easier way to generate income from cryptocurrencies? In this article, learn how you can earn money with crypto means using Binance and cash out with Binance P2P. So main takeaways, there are many ways to earn money with crypto, but one the simplest way involves using the Binance. So in this video I will cover this topic means P2P products in tandem with Binance. Binance P2P lets users buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users, while Binance Earn allows new and experienced crypto users to easily earn money on their existing crypto assets. Thirdly, there are many ways to generate passive income with Binance Earn, from savings products with flexible and long-term is also to more advanced products including DeFi, staking, automated market maps, makers, MMS, and more. Binance users can transfer crypto assets from Binance Earn to Binance P2P and sell their crypto assets is also means easily in exchange for their preferred local currencies. Says many venture into the much hyper and tempting world of cryptocurrencies in hopes of making some money. Users just starting their crypto journey are faced with a barrage of offers from companies promoting easy income generating opportunities that seems highly effective at first glance. So I will also provide the guidelines. There are many ways to earn small amounts of cryptocurrencies, including airdrops, content, sales rounds, bug hunts, sign up promotions, and more many. Means, however, most of the more profitable practices like trading, interest, earning products, or mining often have a higher barrier of entry and may seem complicated and accessible for crypto novices. Thus, many of the financial mechanisms within DeFi space are risky and often bear minimal returns. There is a more efficient, safer, and easier way of generating income from cryptocurrencies. The Binance P2P exchange provides crypto users with the opportunity to earn crypto rewards from Binance and so this is the main thing I provide to guide about how to earn with Binance. What is Binance P2P? Binance P2P is a cryptocurrency exchange that has won the trust of millions of users. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, meaning that the trading process takes place directly between the buying and selling parties. There is no need to engage any third parties for mediation, since their role is assumed by the exchange itself, which ensures the safe conduct of every transaction. Users are protected from fraud by the platform's mechanisms, which will not conduct any transactions until both parties confirm that its underlying terms have been met. So in this video I will cover two guide about how to earn money with crypto. So hope you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.